CLD preparation video on LabVIEW Advantage. We're continuing with the daily CLD problem. So please pause and scroll the video and mute the audio if necessary to understand the problem. So let us start. You have been provided with the instrument string in, and your objective is to create an array of information within it which has been separated by the comma. So your objective is to identify which does not actually satisfy the requirements. So let's look at the option A. So option A is using the spreadsheet string to array and has a delimiter of comma. So this actually satisfies the requirement. So this is the correct answer. We'll move into the B. If you look into the B uses the scan string for tokens. This VI returns the string between the delimiter. So this code will create an array of the string between the delimiters. So this is also correct. Now if you move to option C, the option C also works the same way, but since we are not reading the value before the delimiter, this means we'll lose the first part of the entire string. So option C is incorrect. In option D, we're matching the pattern with the comma as a delimiter. So it will build an array by auto-indexing while the offset value is being moved to the shift register, and then we're searching for the next delimiter again. So only C does not meet the requirement, and thus is the correct answer for this problem. Please like, share and comment on this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel for future LabVIEW videos. I'll see you next on another CLD preparation video.